Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn about magnetic lasso tool in Photoshop. As we have already looked at the first two, the standard lasso tool and the polygonal lasso tool in the previous tutorials, now we will look at the magnetic lasso tool which can be found nested behind the standard lasso tool in the toolbar. The magnetic lasso tool creates selections automatically sticking to the edges of the contrast objects. In the toolbox, select magnetic lasso tool. If you press caps lock, the icon will be changed to brush. In the tools option above, width defines the range where the tool detects edges. If we increase the width, the brush size will be increased, and if we decrease it, the size will be decreased. You can even adjust the size by pressing the bracket keys on the keyboard. Contrast defines tool sensitivity, and the frequency adjusts how many anchor points are added when you make selections with this tool. Increasing the frequency leads to more anchor points. To use it, click on the image to set the first anchor point. Then draw with magnetic lasso to outline the object. The tool automatically creates points around the edges. Keep making the selection until it's done. If you want to add the selection, press Shift key and press Alt or Option on the keyboard if you want to delete from a selection. Once you are done, click on the layer mask and the selection will be created. That's how you can use magnetic lasso tool in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below the like button, and also don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.